Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S24 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now let's take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the timer, so let's tap on it and we've got two different options, so 2K, 1080p which is currently applied, and 720p. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose this one, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.